Enabling touch sensitivity on the Galaxy S25 improves screen responsiveness, making it easier to use the device, especially when a screen protector is applied. Here's how it's done. To get started, open the app drawer, then find and tap on Settings. Once you're inside, scroll down a bit and select Display. From there, continue scrolling until you see the touch sensitivity option. Simply tap the switch next to it to turn it on. Once activated, your screen will immediately become more responsive to your touch. However, since a more sensitive screen can sometimes register accidental touches, it's a good idea to enable accidental touch protection as well. You'll find this option just above touch sensitivity. Tap the switch beside it to activate the feature. With both settings enabled, your device will respond more accurately to your intended touches, while minimizing unwanted inputs when your phone is in your pocket or bag. And that's it! We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Galaxy S25 tips. Thanks for watching.